Hey, welcome to the show, ladies and gentlemen. I'm out today with an unbelievable product. And yeah, you know which one it is. So stick around, and at the end of the show, I'll tell you all about it. It's going to be a little breezy, but at least we're going to get it going. On with the show. I don't use it as often as I like, but I am going to be using it later on. And it's one of the lightest, smallest, and most compact cameras I own today. It doesn't have image stabilization, but maybe one day it will. So let's see what else we could film with it. It's a little bit tricky to start it, not at all. I'm just not used to doing it all the time. But anyway, you got some good views. Turn the camera around. It ain't the perfect angle, but at least it gets the point across. I like to use this camera so I can hook up the Rode Wireless Go and then do some reviews, right? Perfect camera for it. It's got a auto light enhancement that you got to set manually, and it does HD 1080p at super quality with the high bit rate of the camera's codecs. You can't ask for more than that from the Mobius action camera, can you? I just find it amazing when I make a nice mod, an external mic mod, and not many people are interested in it. So yeah, I'll show you this video with the wind blowing and the camera filming, doing a excellent job. Don't look the other way. So yeah, we all got to be careful how we ride and where we look and all that good stuff. Hang on, a little slip and slide here. The one thing this camera doesn't do is audible beeps. Something that you do want to hear that you are getting ready to record. Can't have it all. You want to be lightweight, and that's why this camera is so small and versatile. So yeah, sometimes good things do gotta come to an end, and you just gotta accept it. Well, I'm gonna wrap this up, put my camera away, and go enjoy the rest of my day without filming. So as I head off to the end of the boardwalk and the sun's coming out some, and all that good fun, and the wind is picking up, I'll give you one last shot of the skyline of Coney Island.